fifth grade Shurley method, page 37, part 2, and we're going to do exercises 2 and 3. So, write the 8 forms of the verb be in the blanks below. So, clearly we know be, being, and been, right? What are the other ones? So, am. What's the next one? Is, are, was, were, be, being, been, right? Okay. For parts 1 and 2, choose an answer from the choices in parentheses. Then fill in the rest of the columns according to the lines. As or be stands for singular or plural. In/po means to identify the subject as a noun or a pronoun. Shannon and her mother talked quietly. So, what was your pronoun choice? Her. Is that singular or plural? Singular. What's it? Who is her referring to? Shannon. And is Shannon singular or plural? Singular. Okay, number 36. Bookshelves were turned on their side. Okay, we chose there. Singular or plural? Plural because it's referring to shelves, which is plural. You guys are going to do 37 for homework. Okay, part 2, subject verb agreement. Blank either of you hungry yet? Okay, it's actually not are. What is it? Is. So we paste is because is what's the subject? Either, right? Oh. Either, and then it's either a noun or a pronoun. Pronoun, and then is that singular or plural? It's singular, okay? Because either of you, so the you makes it singular, right? Okay, all right. Few of the musicians perform daily. So we picked perform. Okay, what's perform referring to? Who is it? Few. Okay. So the subject is few. Okay, singular, or I'm sorry, noun or pronoun? Pronoun. And then is that singular or plural? You. So that would be more than one, right? So plural. Okay, you guys are doing number 40 for homework. All right.